Hi all, welcome to new video for Horilla technical series. In this video, we will see how we can render custom HTTP response from our Horilla form view. Basically, in the earlier videos, we are rendered the self.http response, the HTTP response subclass that available inside Horilla form view class. Okay, here is the HTTP response class. Okay, basically this uh, class will return the HTTP response with along with some scripts that to reload the list view, card view, or some dynamic fields for Horilla form view. Also, additionally, you can add your own script uh, inside the script element by passing as an argument. Okay, there is a argument called targets to reload. From here, you can provide the IDs that you want to reload when the form submission is happened. So let's see how we can use this custom script using a Django basic HTTP response. Here's the HTTP response. Okay. Inside that, let's provide first some random response like response. Okay. Now let's restart the server. Okay. Once the server is restarted, let's check actually what is happening over here. Let's see it. Okay. Let's submit. Okay. The HTTP response will render after the submission of the form. Okay, this is the last video confirmation. Okay, so here the response come. So actually what we need to done after submitting the form, like we want to close this modal, then we have to change reload the record behind the uh, behind the modal. To do that, here I'm going to provide the script. I'm closing the script tag. Then here I can provide or add the script that I need to execute after the submission of the form. First, let's close the modal. To do that, fetch the active class from the DOM, active model class from the DOM. The class will be 1 second. When you inspect the response modal, okay, here is the response modal. When you check, here is the class. Here you can see the OH modal show. This class is making the modal visible. So we simply want to fetch that class from the DOM, OH modal show. Then we want to remove class OH. I'm writing jQuery over here. You can provide raw JavaScript if you prefer. I'm going to provide remove the OH modal. Sorry, show. Let's start a semicolon. Now let's restart the server. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, now let's submit. Uh, okay, confirm. Okay, here you can see now the model is disappeared. So the message is not coming, and also the record is not reloaded. The tab is not reloaded. Let's see how we can do that also. So for the message, when you check the index page, then reload messages. Here is a container that includes all the HTML Django messages. Also, there is a button that will fetch the latest messages from backend and swap the template. Then, okay, we want to click this button to reload the messages. So the next line I'll provide Okay, the reload messages button and targeting the ID, then simply going to trigger a click. Okay, let's restart the server. Okay, once the server is restarted, okay, let's also test actually what is happening now. Edit, save. Okay, confirm. You can see the message is now visible. Two messages now showed because we in the earlier example we submitted but didn't reload this page. So now the both messages come at a single time. When I try it once again, okay, you will only see one message. See? So now let's reload the list table. So to do that, when you check the Horilla list table, it's a Horilla theme, there will be having reload, reload record. Okay, it's a button. When you simply have to trigger the reload record button uh, inside the response. Dollars reload sorry, is not an ID, is a class. So I have to provide it as a dot. Then yeah, I simply have to trigger the click semicolon. Restart. Okay, now let's check what is happening. For the first record, I'm going to change the shift to regular or morning. Morning. Change the description. Then when I click save, okay, confirm. Okay, here you can see now the shift is changed to morning. So that's how you set up custom HTTP response that need to be happen when you submit the Horilla form. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.